Hello friends, today we are making this nice and easy lace. It will be on multiples of 7 chains, step by step, beginner friendly. I hope you like it. So let's start the video. I'm using 2.5 mm hook size. First we will make slip knot. Chains will be multiple of 7. You can make it as long as you want. I'm going to chain 42. Start to make a chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chain 42, chain 42. Now chain 1 and make single crochet in second chain. Single crochet in each chains. Single crochet in each chain till the last chain. I meet you in the end. Now we have single crochet in each chain. This is our last chain. Last single crochet. Now chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and turn. Make treble crochet in 7th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Treble crochet in 7th chain. Chain 1 and now make 6 single crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 single crochet here. After this we will make single crochet in the same loop. Single crochet, turn your work. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 8 and make single crochet in 4th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make single crochet. We will make a flower here. Now again, now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make single crochet here on the top. Make 1 single crochet. Now chain 1, 2, 3, chain 3, turn your work down here, make a single crochet like this. In this loop, make double crochet in the loop, double crochet, chain 3, and make single crochet here like this. Double crochet in this loop, chain 3, and single crochet to make a picot stitch. Double crochet here in the middle, chain 3, and single crochet. Double crochet, chain 3, and single crochet. Double crochet again, chain 3, and 1 single crochet to make a picot stitches, called picot stitches. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have made in the loop 5 picot stitches. Down here we have a 1. In total we will make a 8 picot stitches. One more, single crochet. So like this. This is our leaf. 7 picot stitches we have made in the middle, and 1 we have down here. In total we have a 8 picot stitches. We are going to make another leaf here. For that we will make chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and chain 4. We have made chain 4 in this same loop. We will make 1 tight single crochet down here, single crochet, and turn your work and start to make 6 single crochet here to make a leaf like this. 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have a 6 single crocheted and the finished flower line. Now we are going to make a double crochet. Turn your work in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. In 7 chain we will make double crochet again. This is the first flower, and now we will start the second one. Chain 1, make 6 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Six single crochet, make 1 single crochet in the same loop. We have here 1 single crochet. Now turn your work and make 8 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 chains. Make 1 2 3 4 single crochet in 4th chain. Chain 3, 1 2 3 like this, and now we will make a 1 single crochet here on the top chain. Make 1 single crochet on the top like this. Chain 3, 1 2 3 2 and turn your work and make single crochet down here. 1 single crochet. This will be our first. This will be count as a first picot stitch like this down here, and now we will make 7 more picot stitches in this middle loop. Double crochet this loop, chain 3, single crochet, 1 double crochet in middle, chain 3, single crochet, double crochet in the middle, chain 3, single crochet, double crochet in the middle, double crochet in the middle, chain 3, single crochet, double crochet, chain 3, and how many picot stitches we have? We will make 8, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 more left, double crochet, chain 3, single crochet, last one, double crochet, chain 3, single crochet. We have made this flower as well. This is the second one. Again, chain 4, 1 2 3 4, chain 4, make after the flower, chain 4, make single crochet in this same loop, nice and tight, single crochet here. Now turn your work and make 6 single crochet to make a leaf like this. 6 single crochet here, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 6 single crochet, and the second flower is ready like this. Again, double crochet, turn your work, double crochet in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7th chain, like this. The 2 flowers are ready, and you are going to follow the same steps like this. Here in the end we have a 5 flowers. This is our last flower. We have made it here in the end. When you finish the leaf line, then we will make double crochet at the end of this chain. Here the last double crochet like this, and chain 1 and lock your work. Your nice and beautiful flower lace is ready. I hope you like today's video. If you like it, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. For more videos, visit my playlist crochet tutorials. Till the next video, bye.